Hello, friends. Ella Gurfinkel here, Senior Loan Officer with Fairway Nevada Mortgage, Team Ella, and welcome to my Ask Ella show. So today is a show and tell, showing you how to find and use a mortgage calculator in case you were trying to figure out the payments on the home that you found yourself. Today is going to be a show and tell. It's not going to be just a question. It's going to be a show and tell. And by the way, this is a safe place where you can ask your questions about mortgages, financing, real estate, not feel embarrassed about it because frankly, there is no dumb questions. You just don't know what you don't know because you just don't live it like I do. So strap in. This is a first for me too. I may be a little embarrassed. Let's roll. I'm in just a normal search engine trying to find, Google is my friend, a mortgage calculator. And apparently I cannot type. What I want to show you is typically the most popular or the easiest one, the only thing being that it usually shows up at the top. So let's see, what did we find? We found a mortgagecalculator.org. So let's say our home value is, it actually is pre-filled, dang. It's $400K, let's leave it at that. Down payment, let's look for the percentages, and let's say we're putting down 3%, and it should calculate the loan amount by itself, and interest rate today, let's say 6.5%. Rates quoted are not guaranteed, by the way, my disclosure, so I don't get smacked by compliance, and it gives me a mortgage comparison, i.e. lead capture for a number of companies instead of actually calculating it, so do not click any boxes other than the calculate. Property taxes pre-filled, PMI is pre-filled, PMI is private mortgage insurance. We talked about it in one of the shows before. Home insurance about $1,000 a year. We don't know about an NHOA, so we're leaving that blank and click calculate. Let's see what it does. And on the right-hand side, you have a mortgage payment summary. Well, you're looking at payment with PMI at almost $3,000. After 132 months, essentially 11 years, you're looking at a slightly lower payment because your mortgage insurance does go down at that point. It breaks out the PMI, again, $161.67 a month for the first 132 months. Everything we do in the mortgage industry, mortgage biz, is always expressed in months, and every calculation is done on a monthly basis, just so you know. So $161.67 is your PMI for the first 11 years. It totals up the PMI for that time period. It shows you your down payment, which is $12,000. You don't even need a calculator to calculate that out. But there you have it. There's your payment. And voila, you can calculate the mortgage payment yourself. Now, if you ever wanted to know how to figure out what you can qualify for, that would be an interesting conversation to have. In the meantime, ask your questions below in the comments, DM, and please, 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 please subscribe to my Insta channel. And again, no questions are off limits. Don't be shy. I don't bite. At least I don't bite first. This is a safe place. I'll see you in the next one.